Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to reset all your settings on TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right on the screen is the home page of my TikTok app. Going to your profile section like this and clicking on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says settings and privacy, which is actually the last option. So if you go ahead and click on it like this, looking here, the first option here which says content preference, clicking on that, you're going to be able to see these options. So looking right here, you can see where it says refresh your For You feed. So clicking on it like this, you're going to see the option of stats. So clicking on that like this, so you need to select the option that actually suits you based on the reason why you want to actually reset your For You feed. So clicking on any of them, say clicking on, let's say, irrelevant content like this and clicking on submit, you need to go ahead and click on go to your feed like this. So once you go to your feed, it's actually going to reset your feed and you're going to start seeing a whole different kind of content on your feed. So going back to your profile as well, if you want to reset all your TikTok settings, clicking on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen like this and going to your settings and privacy like this. So looking right here, you're going to see this option right here which says free up space. So clicking on that like this, right here you just need to go ahead and click on clear cache and also clear your downloads. Once this is done, this is actually going to reset your feed on TikTok as well. It's actually going to help TikTok to suggest a whole lot of different kind of content for you on TikTok. So this is how simple it is for you to reset your TikTok videos. Hope you found this. So this is how simple it is for you to reset your TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.